Will the Bulls reclaim control? Guys, I don't think the Bulls ever lost control in Shiba Inu coin. Things are still looking great. We're going to be talking about why they're looking great. I know we saw a pullback from 3,000 points per coin. Trust me, I know. I'm here every single day looking at this stuff. And that's all right, because we are still maintaining this very bullish pattern of higher highs and higher lows. Now, we're going to talk about that in this video because I don't think that the Bulls ever lost control. And as Bitcoin is recovering nicely today, we've got a lot of bullish information, a lot of bullish technicals, and a lot of good news to talk about. So let's go over it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. And as you can see, Shiba Inu coin is doing very well. It's holding support at 2,000 points per coin. The Bulls are still in charge, and we're going to be talking about that. But if you guys are interested in diversifying during this bull market, make sure to check out Pepe Meme. You got a link for it down in the description below. They've already got 3,153 holders, an 8% bonus or 6% referral bonus if you guys become a whale. The pre-sale price is incredible, with a lot of people making a lot of money already, and it gets even better because if you decide to get in now, you can still walk away with over a 4x gain. I'm going to show you 10 Solana since it is a Solana token. 10 Solana right now about $1,900. On launch day, $8,255. An incredible increase that anybody would want to take advantage of. And therefore, I truly do think there will be a lot of profit taking and a lot of profit booking happening on launch day. That means you're probably going to see some red candles. Now, the good news is, with a 4x gain, the price would have to drop over 75% for you guys to even break even. But, of course, if it doesn't drop at all, you guys make 4x your money. So pay attention to the price action, pay attention to the launch day, pay attention to everything that Pepe Meme has to offer, especially, I mean, you can see their entire ecosystem, and you guys can see this on their website. 31 million players on their Telegram game, staking rewards, NFTs coming, they got all of this. But my favorite part, the support that they're getting out on X. Now, on X, guys, 540,000 followers, and the token hasn't even launched yet. They've been able to cross 500,000. I mean, dude, you're talking almost like Shiba Inu coin level followers. Now, I know that the SHIB token Twitter account has like 3 million now, but dude, the SHIB token Twitter account's been hijacked by whoever he is. Anyway, let's go over this article and talk about Shiba Inu coin and what I think it's going to do. It says, will Shiba Inu coin price rebound to the 2330 level of resistance as RSI divergence sparks bullish optimism? I think yes. With Dogecoin dropping 3% over the last 24 hours, Shiba Inu coin has experienced a similar decline. SHIB's 7-day return now stands at a negative 7% amid the bearish market, pushing the market price closer to the psychological level of 2,000 points per coin. With a market cap of $12.5 billion, Shiba Inu coin remains the second largest meme coin. However, broader market conditions continue to create uncertainty for the SHIB price trend. Uncertainty's fine, guys. We've been uncertain for, well, our whole lives are uncertain. Tomorrow is uncertain, right? But if we look at it, Shiba Inu coin is certainly following a trend right now. It is following the trend of higher highs and higher lows, and it continues to follow that trend. Everybody was worried about yesterday. Not only do we have a very significant ascending trend line, we've got a very significant horizontal trend line as well. Support for the last month. Shiba Inu coin has maintained this horizontal level of support, which is excellent. And for the last 6 months, it's maintained the higher highs that it's been hitting. So there's nothing bearish about the price action right now. It just feels bearish because last month, before Jerome Powell opened his mouth, we were sitting up here at 3,200 points per coin. We were ready to move higher, but Bitcoin began to feel expensive, and therefore people sold off. Jerome Powell opened his mouth and said we might only decrease interest rates twice in 2025, as opposed to thrice in 2025. Therefore, we saw a steep decline, not only in Shiba Inu coin, but Bitcoin and the rest of the altcoins as well. Now, it goes on to say that on the 4-hour chart, SHIB's price action shows a failed attempt to break through the resistance trend line. This also highlighted a stronger supply zone near the 50% Fibonacci level of 2489. Additionally, the bearish reversal from this local resistance caused the price to drop below the 38.20% Fibonacci level to 2322. Currently, Shiba Inu coin is testing bullish support at the 2360 or 2130 point per coin level, as well as the critical psychological level of 2,000 points per coin. But it maintained those levels, guys. It maintained those levels at the same time that Bitcoin is bouncing back today. And Bitcoin is coming off of these $92,000 lows. If you look at the daily chart on Bitcoin, we've struggled at $100,000. It's obvious that we've struggled at $100,000. And I want to say this. Shiba Inu, Bitcoin, all year, all 2024, struggled at $70,000 since it ran up in March. Okay, and I hope that we don't spend the entirety of 2025 struggling at 100,000. I believe that Bitcoin has what it takes to break out. Now, I do believe that 2025, based on the previous 4-year cycles, 2025 will be the peak if that cycle repeats itself. So please understand that. We've been waiting for this level. We've been waiting for this bull market. We've been waiting for this emotional FOMO rally for 3 years now. But look at Bitcoin during 2024. Couldn't break. It spent the entirety of 2024 testing 70,000. And every time it pulled back to 50,000, people were worried whether or not it was bullish. But in all honesty, with Bitcoin maintaining these levels here, this slight channel between $55,000, almost $60,000 and $70,000 for the entirety of 2020, what would be the problem if Bitcoin spent the next 6 months channeling between $90,000 and $100,000? It's still very bullish. We're still maintaining these levels that people once thought was way too expensive. They would never want to hold it. If Bitcoin can maintain $90,000 to $100,000, I believe that Shiba Inu coin can absolutely maintain its current levels, set up new minimums, and have a bullish breakout when Bitcoin finally does decide to run. Now, SHIB price targets, right? You guys know mine. These guys are talking about Shiba Inu coin hitting support at 1853 if it doesn't make the 2,000 point per coin zone and so on. But my next price target for Shiba Inu coin, we got a little resistance in the 2,800 point per coin area. But I'm maintaining this trend right now. And until this trend is broken, that's what I'm looking at. So my next major resistance is going to be that 3,500 point per coin mark. The only level that has historically stood between Shiba Inu coin and all-time highs. So I'm very excited about it. I'm accumulating more. I did buy a little bit more on the dip this morning. Not a lot more. I bought a lot, actually. I went through and bought a lot of stuff on the KSX exchange here. A lot of layer ones, a few meme coins, the Dogecoin, Shiba Inu coin, little Pepe. But regardless of all that, I'm accumulating every chance that I get, guys. I understand the power of a bull market. I understand that it doesn't make sense how high these prices run. And because of that, I'm buying. If you guys are interested in buying as well, you've got the best selection of meme coins that I've seen in the United States on the KSX exchange here. I mean, you guys can scroll through for yourself. It's very easy. All you got to do is click that link in the description. All it takes is an email to sign up. They don't need anything else. So even if you guys just want to use it to chart some of the best meme coins out there and get used to it before you make a deposit and all that stuff, perfect. But these guys have one of the best selections of meme coins I've ever seen in the United States. They offer leverage trading up to 100x down to 5x. So make sure to check out KSX. And then the Unix exchange as well. These guys are awesome, man. Up to 125x leverage down to 1x leverage. So they're a lot more lenient. Plus, copy trading, where you earn 10% of all of your followers' profits. There's a lot of good features that both of these exchanges have. So make sure to check them out. And if you're looking at even more tiny little ICOs, Wall Street Pepe, guys, has done $45 million. The numbers are speaking for themselves right now. Everybody is jumping in. And it's not going to take 9 hours to hit another, what is this, $60,000. So the price is going to increase before this 9-hour mark is up. Let me know what you guys are doing down in the comments below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.